Hi, it's been a while since I've posted to my YouTube channel, but I just wanted to show these two cute boho style purses that I sewed. And I followed a tutorial by Tracy Myers, and her YouTube channel is called T Myers. I'll include a link to her video where she goes through the entire process step by step, so you can see how these are made. It's a really fun tutorial. She goes into a lot of detail, so you see exactly how to make these purses. So I'm going to put my camera in the stand, and I will go into more detail on each of these purses. I have these in my Etsy shop if anybody is interested in purchasing, but these are an awful lot of fun to make. I encourage you to go check out Tracy's channel. She's got all sorts of ideas for upcycling, and it's not just purses. She's got everything, jeans and jackets and vests, and how to upcycle your clothes. So go have a look and you won't be disappointed. Both purses measure approximately 10 inches across, not including the fringe, and by 10 inches high. And the strap on this one measures about 17 inches high from base of the purse to top. And here's a look at the strap. And on the front flap, I have a little flower that I made, and there's a little dangle here. There's some more fringe. I've got lace, and when you open it, you can see there's more fringe under here, a little bit more lace. And here's the inside of the purse. It's got a magnetic closure, and I've got some denim fabric that I used to make a pocket on the inside, and another blue fabric with a little bit of lace for the other pocket. And then there's some lace on the outside and some more of this fringe. This is just seam binding that I trimmed. And then on the back, there is some more lace and some more embellishments here. I've got these little beads, and I've got a dangle attached to the strap, and this is removable. It's got a lobster clasp on it, a lobster claw clasp. Try saying that 3 times. And I've got some beads here from some old jewelry, and I've got some fibers or fabrics and pieces of lace rickrack, and I also have some more little charms on here. This was from old pieces of jewelry, some beads that I collected. This is the same bead as on the back of the purse. It's just an acrylic bead. And then here's another one. So there's five beads on here. So now I'll show you the next one. This is constructed the same way, and I used a different color theme and some different embellishments on this one. Again, I used seam binding for the trim around the edge of the purse and around the flap. And this is a flower that was gifted to me at one time, and I thought it would look perfect on here. And the inside has a little snap for this one. And again, I've got 2 pockets in here. There's some more trim underneath the flap. I've got another one of these dangle charms, and this can be removed from the strap. The strap measures 15 inches. It's a little bit shorter on this one, so it's 15 inches from the purse to the shoulder. And of course, this is removable. You can replace it with something else if you like. And I've got some trims on here. Again, different fibers, some lace, And I've got some beads. Oh no, this one, yeah, there's some beads and some charms. I've got little wings of a dove, a key, a bead from an old necklace, and another bead, and another one here. And again, I've got these beads. She also has a tutorial that shows how to make these dangles. And this one is also, it's about 10 by 10 with a purple and black theme. And on the back, I've got some more lace trim, some little lace dangles that I cut out here. It's a beautiful upholstery type fabric. So I'll include links to these purses in my Etsy shop if anybody's interested in purchasing them. And like I said, I will include a link to Tracy's YouTube channel, which is called T. Myers Handmade. Have a nice day. Bye.